The iPhone 14 offers great connectivity through advanced 5G and LTE cellular networks. However, some users find their new iPhone 14 loses cellular signal intermittently. If you have this problem, the first thing you have to do is to force restart your iPhone. It is possible that such an issue is caused by a minor system or network glitch, and in most cases, a restart will be able to fix it. So press and release the volume up button, and then do the same to the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the power key for at least 10 seconds. This will trigger your iPhone to shut down and power back up. Once the Apple logo shows, release the power key and allow your phone to boot up successfully. After that, continue using your device and observe closely to know if it still loses its cellular signal randomly, because if it still does, then what you need to do next is to reset the network settings. Resetting all network settings will clear any problematic configurations and refresh your connection. And to do that, launch Settings and select General. Swipe up and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode if prompted. Finally, tap Reset Network Settings to proceed. Your iPhone will then reboot. This procedure is enough to fix a problem like this. However, if for some reason the problem persists, then you should do the following. Make sure that you're in an area with good signal reception. Factory reset your phone, as it can be an issue with the firmware itself. But make sure to back up your files and data before doing so. You can also call your service provider and inquire about the status of the network in your area. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Thanks for watching.